Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another video this week. As you can see from the title of the video, I have a very exciting unboxing to do with you today, and that is Lilysilk. I have all of my gorgeous packages here and I am going to unbox them with you on camera. And as you all know, I have worked with Lilysilk before. I absolutely love the company, the brand and everything that goes along with it. And as well as that, silk has so many benefits for your skin. I will link full information about the benefits in the description box below, so don't forget to go and check out there. So let's just get straight into this because I'm really excited to open these. I've had them a little while and I've been just itching to unbox. So Lilysilk recently changed their packaging, and as you can see, it just gives like major luxurious. It makes me almost want to keep these boxes after unboxing. Even the little ribbons you could keep and wear them to tie up your hair. So let's just start off with these smaller boxes first and see what's in here. When you order from Lilysilk as well, you will also get one of these, kind of just explaining about the company. Let me just open it up. So it explains about the silk, then it also explains about their recycling policy, about the customers, about zero waste. Like, how cute are these little cards? Okay, so let's unbox the first item. I'm just going to untie the little ribbon here. It's just so nice. I don't want to like rip the packaging, but I have to. Okay, so they're all in here. So I ordered a set of scrunchies that has all of these colours in here. So in this little set you get a kind of white one, a navy one which is perfect for like winter time, a baby pink kind of rose colour, neutral one, beige, and then you get the classic black. I just think these are so nice, and they're really nice for your hair as well. They keep it in such good condition. They don't nag at your hair and break off little pieces, and that's why I love silk material for even for hair care, for body care, sleep as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to use these, and I just love the colours. Like, how cute are these colours? And fun fact as well, with any of the leftover silk that they have from their bigger clothing items, they will use for their smaller stuff. So like the scrunchies, their hair ribbons, and I think that's just a really good way to reuse any fabrics that are left over. So I'm sure they were probably used on these and they still look absolutely perfect. So let's unbox the next thing. I can't wait to put those away because I have like a little scrunchie collection now. So the next item is in here. Let's see what this one is. So this one is a little bow hair tie. It's so cute. So this is what it looks like, and it just has the kind of scrunchie at the back and you can tie it up, and their little logos on there as well. I thought this would be perfect for when I get to go to Paris in like the winter time and I can tie back my hair and have a cute little bow on the back. I really need to pick up a cream version of this as well because this is just going to be so nice for winter time. I'm definitely going to wear this a lot. Okay, so moving on to the next larger boxes. I'm really excited to show you these ones. Oh, I know what this one is. So this is their one size fits all silk bra, and this is really nice because it's silk lined. You're not going to have any like bra straps on show. It's really comfortable. Let's be real, we don't like wearing bras, and this one is just so soft and it just feels like it's going to be really comfy. It also came with a spare padding as well. The colour that I picked up is like this nudie colour, but they do come in different shades as well. And as I said, one size does fit all because it is a stretchy material. And with Lilysilk you can build that capsule wardrobe that is in kind of, it's trending right now, but I don't think it should be a trend because I've been building my capsule wardrobe for a long time and people are only starting to catch on now to how amazing a capsule wardrobe actually is. Okay, so we have 2 boxes left. I'm going to open the next one. They do like such a variety of clothing pieces as well. I'm not going to rip it, I'm just going to take it out on the side. I hate ripping. Okay, so this is one of their silk blouses, and I really love this one because it has pearl buttons. So again, it's just another classic piece to have. If you don't own a silk cream or white shirt in your closet, then you are missing out because this can be worn so many different ways, with shorts in summertime, with jeans in like fall and autumn. This is so cool because it says how to fold a shirt. Now I learned this when I was working in retail. It's just kind of showing you how to fold it over, and you can actually use this piece of cardboard to fold it up perfectly. Like I said, you can have it tied up, you can leave it open and wear a nice little cami top underneath. It's just a classic, and if you are wearing kind of cropped sweaters in the winter time and you want a collar popping out, this is another great item to layer up with and just give you that little bit of extra warmth. And silk does hold in warmth as well. It's really, really good. It doesn't leave out a lot of the heat. Okay, so I'm opening up the last box right now, and this one I am really, really excited for because this is a 2-piece nightwear set, and this is brand new on their website, so I'm getting to show you an exclusive here. So this set is a navy pajama set, and it comes with long leg. You can also get it in a cropped kind of leg as well if you are in a warmer climate, but for me I of course went with the long leg because coming into autumn and winter, especially the navy colour, is so nice for like September, October. I can't wait to just cuddle up wearing this pajamas with a nice cup of hot chocolate in autumn time. So it has the stretchy waistband, and the colour is just a beautiful rich navy. Like, you can't get more classic than this colour. And what's great about this set is you can actually wear this shirt not as nightwear. You can wear it in the daytime paired up with a pair of shorts like I'm showing you here right now. And you can also wear it with some trousers. So there's different ways to style it up. It doesn't have to be a shirt that you just wear like, you know, to bed. It's a classic one that you can wear day to day coming into like autumn and fall. And also Lilysilk will be having a huge anniversary sale starting in August, so don't forget to go and check that out. Linked in the description box below along with everything I'm mentioning in this video. If you are someone that likes to wear loungewear a lot because it's comfortable and you don't kind of want to go into more classic dressy wear, then definitely try some of these pieces because they are so comfortable. You might think that they mightn't be because they're classic shirts. Trust me, they definitely are. Silk is the most comfortable fabric that you can wear along with linen. So that was my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it and got some inspiration for the upcoming season. I'm already thinking about autumn and winter fashion. Like, it's my favourite time of the year. Although I do love summer, it's not over yet. So in the next couple of clips you will see my little montage from when we went to Dublin. I didn't vlog too much because we did go with my brother as well, and we were just trying to enjoy the day. We basically went on a food crawl and I tried so many food places that we wanted to try. So I do want to talk a little bit about Louis Vuitton before I get into the clips. When we got there in Brown Thomas, the store was completely like cut off in half. So please, if anyone that works in Brown Thomas in anywhere in Ireland knows why, like is that the new size of the concession in Louis Vuitton in Brown Thomas, or is it just like renovations? I really need to know because that like majorly upsetted me because it was such a nice store and they had the hot stamping and they had the men's section, the women's section, and now it's just literally like the size of a small makeup concession. We also did go into Hermes, but I didn't really get to vlog too much of that, only just a little bit of the silk scarves. Anyway, let's roll the clips and I'll show you what we got up to. So today we are heading off to Dublin. My voice sounds a bit weird because it's so early, it's like 9:20 right now, so I haven't fully woken up yet, but as you can see I'm ready to go. And I'll show you my outfit in a second, but today we are going to try some new food. We're going to get Korean hot dogs, try this new place called No More Noodles, and then I want to go to a shopping centre that has this new huge Zara. I think it's in Liffey Valley. It's not the most like the best shopping centre in my opinion, but it does have the new Zara, so that's why I want to go there. From what I've seen on TikTok, the Zara looks like huge. It looks like a cave, kind of like a Spanish one. I did have some issues with sticking on this lash this morning, this one right here. It just would not stick down, so I'm glad that it's finally staying. And I just freshened up my hair with the Dyson. I did wash it yesterday. I feel like though I need to fix this, but nah, it's okay. So I'll show you my outfit in the mirror. I had to wear something comfy because it's raining out. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. It's a set from Zara. It's really comfortable. I have on my Louis Vuitton ring. The one that Leo got me for Christmas. I always forget to wear this, so I just thought I'd wear it today. And then my shoes are from Zara, the cream loafers. They're the only shoes that go with this outfit that are also comfortable, so that's why I decided to wear these. Like 22 degrees, so that's why I'm wearing something that's short sleeved. And I'm thinking of popping into Louis Vuitton to try on their, what's it called, their hold all bag in the size 50 and 55. I think I want the 55, but I just want to try it on and see, because I've been getting like mixed opinions from people online about which one is better to travel with. So this is how I will be wearing my Speedy 25 today. It's just a lot safer. I mean, I would love to bring my Neverfull because it's so easy to just take out things, but this one has a zip, so it's more secure for going around the city, because there are like, you know, pickpocketers and stuff, and you just got to be careful. So that is my outfit for today. No jacket because it's going to be really, really warm. I'm considering though taking off this ring because I feel like I might forget it. Like if I'm going to the bathroom or anything, it might fall off. I don't know. I'm just one of those people that's not used to wearing rings. So I normally just wear like bracelets and necklace. I do have a necklace on. It is my Leo little necklace. So yeah, we're going to head off now, and I will catch up with you when we get there. Straight away when we get there, we're going to get the Korean hot dogs, and then you'll see what else we get up to.
What the perfumes in?
Oh, that's our mess. Okay.
Do you reckon the ones?
Do you want to go in for one look? You just like the colour, so I'm just it's nice. They were in Boots and they have Fenty Beauty. And do you want to show Catherine D's one?
So much.
I've always wanted to try this one, but it's so thick, so I never ended up getting it though. And then I'm going to show MAC behind. Oh, the Too Faced and everything. They have Kylie Cosmetics though. I never knew they had Kylie Cosmetics and Boots. I've never seen these ones in person. People collect these lip kits, like it comes up with a lipstick and lip liner. Talking to Lou.
Do the sample.
No, because if you do that sample, it won't come off your hand. It's that strong.
Put it on the face.
No way. I don't like liquid lipstick anymore. This is a good Boots. Hoodie Beauty as well. These are the ones that I always wanted to. She has skincare now. I didn't even know.
You can get the rose oil.
Yeah, I love the smell of it, but oil doesn't work well for my skin. So today is Thursday and I'm going to have a little look at the M&S sale. This is what I'm wearing, and I know it's very like, what's the word? Very office wear, but this is comfortable for me. I mean, I don't have very many ends like bottoms, and these are comfy, and I decided to put on my new Lilysilk shirt because it's just so comfortable and I just love how soft it feels. So this is the vibe that we're going with today. And then my loafers, again, they give more dressy vibes, but these are just the shoes that I have. Like, this is a comfy outfit to me, and that is today's look. Just very relaxed and chill. And I will show you if there's anything nice in the sale. Where else am I going to go? Oh, I want to go out to Tesco's because apparently they have like Krispy Kreme donuts. So let's see what they have. I'm feeling very comfortable today, so I'm just going to make some TikToks and then head off. That's what Luke smells like.
Mountaineer.
It literally smells like mountaineer. No, it smells like nice aftershave.
Espresso.
This one smells like a record store.
Oh my god.
What's that one?
Espresso smell.
That's pool. Is it? Okay, so we just got some snacks in the Asian market. Luke picked up these coconut mochis. I'll give them back to him because he's obsessed. And then we got this tea. It was black tea. They didn't have oolong tea. I got pineapple tea with coconut jelly.
It's because the pines was not as pinty.
And then we picked up these. Now these look so good. These are chocolate and strawberry. I can't wait to try these. I love any of these wafer ones.